Are you tired of dealing with clunky ice shavers that leave you with uneven chunks instead of fluffy snow? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, MANBA Ice Shaver. Let's kick things off with the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. Priced at just $20.99, this portable ice crusher caught my eye because of its compact size and inclusion of free ice cube trays. If you want easy homemade snow cones without fuss, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. It has sharp 18/8 stainless steel blades that ensure durability and precision, making fluffy snow-like ice in no time. The 150-watt power means you can whip up slushies and funny drinks quickly. Plus, it's portable and easy to clean, just hand crank it outdoors if you want to avoid electricity. The added ice cube trays let you create 15 perfect ice blocks for all sorts of drinks at home or parties. With over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a no-fuss way to enjoy snow cones without breaking the bank, this could be your solution. Now, some people complained about the manual operation being a bit tiring for large batches. Here's the thing though, if you're just making a few servings for a party, it's really not a deal breaker. It's compact and easy to store, so if you have limited space, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you enjoy casual get-togethers or have kids who love snow cones. Skip this one if you're planning on serving a large crowd, as it might take longer than electric options. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the manual operation was a concern for you, the next product might be just the right fit. Product number 2, Dash Shaved Ice Maker. Next up is the Dash Shaved Ice Maker, retailing at $35.86. This caught my eye for its compact design, perfect for those living in smaller spaces. If you want to whip up delicious frozen treats quickly, this one's a great choice. The Dash Shaved Ice Maker features a straightforward operation that allows you to prepare snow cones, slushies, and cocktails right at home. It's designed with sharp blades that create fluffier ice, so you won't end up with clunky, hard chunks. At just 85 watts, it's energy efficient and won't hog your countertop space. Plus, it comes with a recipe guide to help you mix your own syrups, enhancing the fun. This is exactly what you need if you want to enjoy endless summer treats without the hassle of a full setup. However, some users noted that the ice can get stuck and may require a little extra attention to ensure it's shaved evenly. Now, I'll be real with you, this isn't a huge issue if you're just monitoring it while making drinks, but if you're multitasking, it can be a slight annoyance. This is perfect for families looking to enjoy homemade frozen treats together. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty machine that can handle big events. Overall, it's a great value for casual use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger gatherings. Product number 3, Aliexpress Snow Cone Machine. Now let's talk about the Aliexpress Snow Cone Machine, priced at $53.95. The standout feature here is its ability to produce a whopping 143 pounds of fluffy snow ice per hour. If you're hosting a big family gathering or a summer party, this is a game changer. What's really cool about this machine is its 300-watt power that allows it to shave ice at an impressive speed of 2,000 RPM. You're getting high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel blades that ensure food safety and hygiene. Unlike other machines that produce crusty ice, this one delivers light, fluffy snow ice, perfect for those refreshing snow cones. It even comes with a free ice pick and ice cube tray, making it great value for what you're getting. However, some users noted it's a bit bulky and may take up more space than other models. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys entertaining or has kids who love snow cones, the size is a small trade-off for the amount of ice it can produce. This is perfect for families or those who frequently host parties. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen and need something more compact. For the price and performance, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more user-friendly, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, Strong Bear Electric Ice Shaver. Up next is the Strong Bear Electric Ice Shaver, priced at $49.39. It caught my attention because it promises to shave through an entire ice block in under a minute. If speed and efficiency are what you're after, this one's worth a look. The Strong Bear features an upgraded motor and sharper blades, which means you'll get fluffy snowflakes quickly without worrying about ice type. It comes with reusable plastic ice mold cups, making it easy to create your ice. The ease of use is a huge plus. Just press one button to get started. Plus, it's designed to be easy to clean, which is a major benefit if you're planning to use it regularly. The convenience of its compact size means you won't struggle to find storage space either. Some users mention that it might struggle a bit with larger ice blocks, which can be a bit frustrating. But honestly, if you're using standard ice cubes, this isn't a big deal at all. So I wouldn't let that deter you if you're looking for something fast and effective. This is perfect for anyone who loves hosting summer parties or just wants a quick treat at home. Skip this if you're looking for a commercial-grade machine. Overall, it's a great choice for home use. Finally, let's take a look at our last product that's perfect for serious snow cone lovers. Product number 5, Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine. Last but not least, we have the Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine at $99.94. This one is a bit pricier, but it's packed with features that make it stand out. If you want a professional quality snow cone maker, you should definitely consider this one. The Cuisinart machine operates with a powerful motor and blade mechanism, creating real shaved ice in no time. It can produce enough ice for 4 or 5 cones in under a minute, which is perfect for when you have guests. It's super easy to use, just flip a switch and you're good to go. Plus, it includes reusable plastic cones and paper cones, making it easy to serve. The interlock safety feature is a nice touch for peace of mind when kids are around. However, some users have found it a bit bulky and heavy compared to other models. Here's the thing, if you prioritize quality and speed, the size might not bother you at all, especially if you're planning to use it frequently. This is perfect for those who want that authentic snow cone experience at home. Skip this if you're short on kitchen space and looking for something more portable. If you're serious about your snow cones, it's worth the investment. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic electric ice shavers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Aliexpress Snow Cone Machine because of its impressive output and value for gatherings. However, I'd recommend avoiding the Mamba if you need something more automated. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.